Is your Android phone failing to chime for new emails, leaving you out of the loop with your Gmail inbox? First things first, let's dive into your phone's settings to ensure Gmail has the necessary permissions to send you alerts. Navigate to your phone's settings, then tap on Apps or Applications. Find Gmail in the list and tap on it next. Look for the Notifications option. Make sure that the Show Notifications toggle is switched on if it's already on. Tap on all Gmail notifications and ensure that the categories you want alerts for, like new mail, are also enabled and set to important or all. Now, let's tackle battery optimization, as aggressive battery saving can sometimes silence essential apps like Gmail. Head back to your main settings menu and find the battery or battery and device care section. Select battery optimization or app battery usage. Find Gmail in the list. Tap on it, and then choose Don't Optimize or Unrestricted. This tells your phone not to limit Gmail's background activity. Sometimes, a simple refresh within the Gmail app itself can kickstart dormant notifications. Open your Gmail app from your inbox screen. Gently swipe down from the very top of the screen. This will manually refresh your inbox and can sometimes re-establish the connection for notifications. If those steps don't do the trick, let's try clearing Gmail's cache and data. This can resolve any temporary glitches causing notification issues. Go back to your phone's settings, then Apps, and find Gmail. Tap on Storage, then Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, go back to the storage screen and tap Clear Data. Don't worry, this won't delete your emails. You'll just need to sign back into your Gmail account once. Finally, ensure your Gmail app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Gmail, and if an update is available, install it. By following these steps, you should be back to receiving timely email alerts on your Android device in no time.